everyone, my name is Miller Campbell. I'm a country singer and songwriter here from the beautiful Pacific Northwest, and I'm your host this week for SwinTV. I'm so excited to be hosting this week. I don't know if you have heard, but Swinomish Casino and Lodge is almost done with its renovations, and we're going to be hosting a grand reopening celebration May 11th through the 13th. The festivities kick off with a tribal blessing ceremony at 11 a.m., followed by a ribbon-cutting ceremony at 1 p.m. From May 11th through the 13th, guests can play to win a dining offer from one of the new dining outlets, including Fat Burger, Manchu Walk, Carver's Cafe, and the new and improved Swinomish Sports Bar and Grill. There will also be hot seat drawings every day from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., where you can win your share of more than $10,000 in cash and promo play. Plus, live music returns to the Swinomish Casino and Lodge and the new main stage. Headliners include The Machine and Hell's Bells, the world-renowned all-female AC/DC tribute band. But you don't have to wait for them for the fun to begin. We're also hosting a pre-party celebration May 4th through the 6th. In fact, I will be performing May 4th from 9 p.m. to midnight, so I hope you come check it out. In fact, come say hi during the meet and greet. On May 5th, in light of Cinco de Mayo, Swinomish Casino and Lodge is hosting a live mariachi band from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. There will also be complimentary chips and salsa around the center bar. You also have more chances to win big. Each day during the pre-party celebration, there will be random hot seat winners chosen from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Winners will receive a $75 promo play to use that weekend and an additional $50 promo play to use the additional weekend. With so many chances to win and have fun, you won't want to miss the grand reopening celebration and pre-party. For a more complete schedule, check out the events calendar online. Play to Getaway starts April 29th, and it's your chance to win some luxurious prizes, including a spa weekend and a 5-day cruise. Swipe your Players Club card at the Players Club Daily for 1 free entry and earn up to 2 extra entries for each 250 points you earn. Join us on May 13th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. for hourly drawings to win prizes every hour. You could win a cruise for yourself and your special someone. Before we go, we're heading to Greg for a weekly renovation update.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another weekly renovation update. A lot of stuff going on here. We're coming down the home stretch. I think I've said that for about the last month and a half here, but on Friday night, we're going to have a concert happening on the stage behind me that's getting rebuilt by the facilities team here. Our IT team's going to jump in and get all the speakers, the sound, and lights put back that were there before, and there's going to be a dance floor in front of it for you to enjoy. So with that in mind, also we'll have slot machines getting installed on the gaming floor behind me, and our sports bar is getting pretty close to being opened up too. So lots of fun stuff happening here the next couple weeks. Get out, see the tulips, come visit us, come see our food, and guess what? We're down to 1 ticket now. 1 ticket gets you on all machines here throughout the property. All of us have been waiting for that for a long time. Great job by our electronics gaming team making that happen. Have a great week, everybody.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you check back next Tuesday for another episode of SwinTV.